In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can connect a mouse and keyboard to your PlayStation or Xbox so that you can play Battlefield RedSec with them. Before we do dive in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point with this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. In order to do this, what you're going to want to do is essentially just plug that keyboard and mouse into the back of your console, and you'll see a notification up in the top right of the corner saying new input connected. After that, you don't need to adjust any extra settings. The devices are going to work immediately. But what I do recommend doing is actually going into the firing range, and you're going to see your mouse and keyboard are active, and you can use the controller at the exact same time. It's not going to bug out and not let you switch inputs like other games do. Everything works simultaneously. Now from here, all you would need to do is back out of the firing range and just go to RedSec and start a game. You're going to notice your cursor will be on screen and you can play just like on PC. If you do want to adjust your settings though, go into your options and then specifically go into your mouse and keyboard settings, and from here you can actually adjust your sensitivity, change the control settings, and enable raw mouse input. Just fine tune these to your preference and you'll be ready to go, but that is it. You now know how to connect a mouse and keyboard to your PlayStation 5 or Xbox for Battlefield RedSec. If you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.